Hello, second grade. My name is Mora Javi and I'm from second A. Today I will be reading to you guys a story called Sam, Tim, and Ann. Sam, Tim, and Ann are brothers and sisters. Sam is very smart and his favorite animal is the snake. Tim is very tidy and his favorite animal is the tiger. Ann is very adventurous, and her favorite animal is the alligator. Sam, Tim, and Ann are all very different, but they love to play together. They like to sing special songs on sunny days. They like to play tennis with their rackets because they find it very exciting. They like to be adventurous and learn amazing facts about ants. Sam, Tim, and Ann love to play together, but the one thing they like most of all is to see the sunset all together. The end. Aw, what a wonderful story about two brothers and a sister called Sam, Tim, and Ann. Do you guys have any brothers or any sisters? I have two sisters, an older one and a younger one. And just like Sam, Tim, and Ann, I love to play with them. We love spending time with each other. Do you guys like spending time or playing with your brothers and sisters? I really hope you guys do. And I really hope you guys enjoyed that story. Now, let's go to the second part of the class. Remember, at the beginning before the story, I told you guys to watch out and listen carefully for all the s, t, and sounds. And in this story, we had plenty of words with those sounds. Right, guys? I'm sure you spotted lots of words. Now, let's take a look at question number 1 for the activity. Let's see. It says, let's find two words with the s sound. So let's go back to the story all the way to the first sentence from the story to see if we find any words with the s sound. Let's go all the way to the beginning. Here we have Sam, Tim, and Ann are brothers and sisters. Do you guys see any s sounds? I know I do. Let's take a look at Sam. Sam obviously has the s sound, and it's right here at the beginning of the word. But if I go all the way to brothers, we also have the s sound, but it's in the end, but it still counts. And there is one more word with the sound, sisters. It has 3 s sounds, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Wow, great job. We found 3 words with the s sound. Now, guys, let's go to question number 2 to see what we have to do. Let's go all the way to the back. Oops, there we go. Now, let's find 2 words with the t sound. Let's take a look at this one. Sam, Tim, and Ann are all very different, but they love to play together. Do you guys spot any words with the t sound? I know I do. Let's take a look at Tim. Tim starts with the t sound. And I found another one, together, t. So there we found 2 words with the t sound. Now, let's go to question number 3. Finally, let's find 2 words with the sound. So let's go all the way back to the story. Ready? Here. Ann is very adventurous, and her favorite animal is the alligator. Wow, I found lots of sounds. Did you guys find any? I'm sure you did. Let's take a look. I found Ann. Ann starts with the sound. What about animal? Animal also starts with the sound. So there we have 2 words with the sound. Now guys, let's go back to the activity to see what else we have to do. After finding all your words, now you have to create 3 sentences for each sound. So we have to use the words we found to create a sentence. And this is what your copybook should look like, guys. I made an example so you guys can follow. Over here, you have to make sure to write the date on the top right corner, April 3rd. And on the first line, make sure to write waltz. We are learning to review the s, t, and sounds. Then, make sure to write the title. This is very important because this helps us organize and figure out what our page is going to be about. In this case, obviously, the sounds, the s, t, sounds. Then, you guys do not have to write the questions. You can just write answers and underline it. So you can start right away. And let's remember question number 1, which was we had to find 2 words from the story with the s sound. I chose sisters and sing. And my sentence is, my sisters love to sing every day. And for number 2, we had to find 2 words with the t sound. I chose tennis and exciting. Tennis is a very exciting sport. And finally, for number 3, I chose alligators and animals. Alligators are amazing animals. Did you guys see this word here? It also starts with an A, just like alligators and animals, but it has a different pronunciation. It's not the sound. It's more of an sound, amazing. And it's more silent than alligator and animals. So therefore, amazing does not count. And that's it, guys. That's the class for today. I really hoped you enjoyed it. And thank you so much for all your hard work. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.